So welcome back students. So today I will discuss the summary of the digestions and what are the enzymes basically act on the foods and whatever the products will be formed after the digestions. The important part of the digestive systems are called mouth, stomach, pancreas and the small intestine. So we have dealt with these things and we have discussed also mouth contain the saliva and it form the salivary gland, and salivary gland basically secretes one enzymes, that is amylase, and it convert the starch or carbohydrate into the sugars, and the stomachs, that is called the gastric juice, or you can say that the pepsin enzyme, and this pepsin enzyme basically act on the foods like proteins and it converted to the amino acids. And the pancreas we have discussed about the insulin hormones as well as the trypsin lipase, and this pancreas is associated with gallbladder, means we will discuss the pancreas and gallbladder together. So the gallbladder, that is basically liver secretes the bile juice, and this bile juice basically stored in the gallbladder, and this gallbladder is used for the fat digestions. So that means this pancreas and the gallbladder together you have to talk. So that time the pancreatic amylase is there, trypsin enzyme is there, and the lipase enzyme is there. And this pancreatic amylase is act on the starch, is converted the maltose like saliva, because the whole are the part of the alimentary canal. So that means those are very important for the digestive systems and correlated to each other, and their functions somehow it is nearly same. In case of trypsin, that it acts on the proteins and it convert to the peptides, and the lipase enzymes that acts on the fat and it converted to the fatty acids. And the small intestine it also digested the proteins and the carbohydrate, and it converted to the glucose and the other simpler substances. So now coming to the point, what are the causes of the indigestions? The indigestions means some other person is not feeling well after the taking the food. So the common symptoms are the indigestions, those are the stomach pain, some person having the vomiting tendencies, excessive gas formations, burning sensations in the stomach. And what are the main reason or the causes of these indigestions? Suppose the person have taken the much more amount of food, whatever the amount they have taken, and it beyond that limit. Sometimes they have taken the oily food, sometimes smoking is the another important factor, and lying down soon after the meals. So after the taking food and directly go to bed, this is very bad habit. So when they are lying down the soon after the meals, sometimes indigestions also found. Too much asleep mode conditions, means sleep is not proper, and the drinking much more consumptions of the alcohols is the another important factor of the indigestions. So now so what are the remedies of these things and how to overcome of this indigestions process? Or you can say that simply how to get, we will get the healthy food, how a healthy body digestions. So for these reasons we have to take the food habits, and the lifestyle modifications is most important thing. In need the everyday the diet maintain or balanced diet, and according to your age, your obesities and your health, all the time taking the clean food, clean utensils, fresh food, cooked food, and drink plenty of water, because water is the important factor for the digestions, because most of the substances or the basically the protein part is dissolved in the water. So whenever you take the pulses and meat, mutton or something like fish, that time you have to take the plenty of water, because water is a substance that will be dissociated, that will be breaks the substances into simpler substances and soluble. And develop a regular eating habits. After 3 hours, 4 hours you have to take, because empty stomachs is very bad for our indigestions. So this you have to maintain. So this is all about your digestive systems, and your work is you go through this video, and after that you have to learn all the things and go through the textbooks, and if you have face any kind of problem, so you feel free to ask. Thank you.